Okay, so now we'll see now different reactions which having uh, rhodium or ruthenium based catalyst with different chiral ligands. So now we'll symmetric hydrogenation catalyst. So applications of chiral phosphorus ligands in rhodium based catalyst. Okay. So asymmetric hydrogenation of dihydroamino acid derivative. Here is one example. The rhodium catalyzed hydrogenation of the ENZ isomers with binap as a ligand in tetrahydrofuran upwards products with opposite absolute configuration. So here you can see selectively we have done the hydrogenation of carbon-carbon double bond, keeping intact carbonyl group with rhodium based catalyst with chiral ligand. It's a DuPhos, that means chiral phosphorus containing ligand with enantiomeric excess is 99.6% enantiomeric excess. So it's very good achievement with the help of this catalyst. So asymmetric hydrogenation of enamides, next example is here. So again, rhodium based catalyst, rhodium is D of catalyst they have used. Okay, so I have given some of the examples in previous videos, so you can refer that one. So again, this one is enamide. Okay, NHCOR with carbon-carbon double bond, hydrogenation of carbon-carbon double bond. This one, creating one new chiral center here with initial excess 92%. SSDF structure of SSDF has given here. Another example of same enamide with ruthenium based catalyst. Okay, 0.5 to 1 molar catalyst are. So this is the catalyst for this conversion. So we got here again chiral carbon atom with 95 to 100% natural excess. So reference is Noyo rejects 1986. So here are the some examples. Again, we will see now Brown has proposed one. What Brown has proposed mechanism for the reduction of this carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, so we'll see now. R-binap hydrogenation reaction involve rhodium-based catalyst. So this is the catalyst. We will get final product will be the this one. Okay. So how the mechanism will be like this. So catalyst is here, addition of our olefinic compound is here. Then how there is a complex formation in between rhodium catalyst and starting material. Okay, so here pay attention. NH carbonyl group from amide, carbon-carbon double bond. Rhodium is getting coordinated with this carbonyl group and carbon-carbon double bond. Addition of hydrogenation is here. Okay, hydrogen H2, addition of H2 is here. So both hydrogens they are getting attached with rhodium catalyst. Okay, so then subsequent hydrogen transfer from rhodium to carbon-carbon double bond is here. So, okay, one of the hydrogen get transfer from rhodium to this carbon-carbon double bond. Finally both of the hydrogen is getting transferred to this carbon-carbon single bond, and in this way we got reduction of carbon-carbon double bond selectively. Okay, so this is the mechanism for the proposed mechanism by Brown for this reaction. Again, Halpern and Brown provided experimental evidences for certain stages of catalytic cycle and investigated reason for the excess, enantiomeric excess. In case of the hydrogenation of Z alpha benzamidocyanamic acid methylester by rhodium-based DIPAM catalyst, two diastereoisomic adducts were identified in the ratio of 10:1. So one is major, S is major, R is minor. So, since the diastereoisomers have different energies, hydrogenation must take place more rapidly via the complex with the lowest energy, thus producing an excess of one of the enantiomer. So, this is the answer for why we will get one as a major, one is minor. So, proposed mechanism. Let's have one look on the mechanism. So, rhodium-based catalyst. Two solid molecules getting attached here. Chiral ligands getting attached on this side, Okay, so we are going to add our what molecule we are going to reduce with the help of rhodium based catalyst. So here is our carbon carbon double bond. Both sister group is also there, amide group is also there, carbon carbon double bond is also there. So we are going to reduce only carbon carbon double bond. So you can see here product we have reduced only carbon carbon double bond. So now how this compound starting or which compound is going to reduce the orientation of coordination of catalyst rhodium catalyst with this compound is that one is giving two different products. Okay, so this one is the minor orientation, this one is the major orientation of addition, that means complex formation. Oxidative addition of hydrogen is here, so two hydrogen is getting added on rhodium here. Here also two hydrogen getting added on the rhodium. Then insertion of hydrogen. So one of the hydrogen is getting inserted into this carbon-carbon single bond. Okay. So both on both sides the same mechanism is applicable. Then reductive elimination.